Watching movies and TV shows has always been my favorite method of learning a foreign language. Today I want to introduce you to a Czech mystery TV series called Pustina, The Wasteland, which I just finished watching. This show combines formal and informal Czech with a lot of slang words, but sticks to a simple story about a young girl gone missing. Therefore, you'll be exposed to everyday vocabulary that is repeated over and over again. In this video, first I'll describe the show in simple Czech, and in the second part, we'll go over some useful vocabulary related to this show and also to movie industry in general. Hi everyone, I'm Teresa and welcome to my channel. Let's begin. Pustina, anglicky Wasteland, je český seriál z produkce HBO Europe. Tento dramatický seriál má jednu řadu, která má 8 epizod. Každá epizoda trvá asi 55 minut, necelou hodinu. Tento příběh je fiktivní, ale reflektuje environmentální a ekonomické problémy v Krušných horách, v regionu severozápadních Čech. Příroda v tomto regionu je dodnes zdevastovaná, protože se tam těžilo hnědé uhlí. Tento příběh je o malé vesnici, která se jmenuje Pustina. Starostka této vesnice se jmenuje Hana Sikorová a ona bojuje proti velké těžební společnosti, která chce relokalizovat celou vesnici. To je kontext tohoto seriálu. Hana Sikorová a její manžel Karel Sikora mají spolu 2 dcery. Starší dceru Kláru a mladší dceru Míšu. Míša je hlavní postava tohoto seriálu. Proč? Protože Míša se ztratila a nikdo neví, kde je. Všichni hledají Míšu. V této vesnici, v této komunitě je několik podezřelých, včetně Míšina otce. Nebudu říkat víc spoilerů, jenom to, že tento příběh je velmi dramatický, mysteriózní, napínavý a atmosféra je dost depresivní. Ale je to fakt dobře natočený, to znamená nafilmovaný seriál. Navíc v tomto seriálu hrají známé české herečky Zuzana Stivínová, Eva Holubová a výborný český herec Jaroslav Dušek. Já tobě opravdu doporučuji vidět tento seriál. Můžeš ho vidět na HBO, kde jsou české i anglické titulky. By the way, I'm really thrilled that my videos are helping you make progress in Czech. I would be really grateful to you if you decided to support my efforts. Join my Patreon and practice my videos with interactive worksheets including a translation, transcription, listening exercises and quizzes. The link to my Patreon is down in the description box. Before we get into the vocabulary, I would really recommend a visit to Jezeří Castle and also to Ústí region where the story was filmed. Although the coal and mining industry in general has left a permanent mark on the region itself, the nature and the countryside around it is slowly recovering and it's really worth a visit. So here are some useful vocabulary. First, příběh, a story, which you can use for a book or a film or a TV show. Příběh. Then, seriál, a TV show, series. Seriál. To say season, we actually have 3 words. Řada, sezóna, or série. We most often use řada, which also means a row, but sometimes you will see also sezóna, which is more like season in Czech. Řada, sezóna, série. Hlavní postava, the main character. Žánr, a genre. Žánr tohoto seriálu je drama. A very useful word, titulky, subtitles. Then herec, an actor, or herečka, an actress. And then I'd like to point out a few words that are repeated a lot in this TV show. First, it's dcera, which means a daughter. Then, ztratit se, to get lost. So moje dcera se ztratila. My daughter got lost. Also, another word which is repeated a lot is zmizet, to disappear. You can simply say ona zmizela, she disappeared. Then we have uhlí, coal, which is also at the center of attention. Starostka, a female mayor. Then we have obec, which means a commune, and it's an administrative term for the village, for vesnice. So obec, and then we have město, a town. And then naposledy, last time. This word is repeated all the time because people keep asking, or mainly police keeps asking, kdy jste viděli Míšu naposledy? Kde byla naposledy? Co dělala naposledy? What did she do last time? When did you see her last time? So naposledy, last time. And then last word, which may sound confusing, is pasťák, which is a juvie, and it's a slang word for výchovný ústav, for a juvenile detention center. So you will hear this word a lot in this TV show. That is all for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please share it with your friends who also enjoy learning Czech through movies. Let me know in the comment section if you've already watched this show or if you're planning to. Feel free to watch the trailer with English subtitles. The link is down in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Ciao!